Yeah, this is John Ogunje. Behind the camera is my Chief Technical Officer, Engineer Tai. You like to show your face? Okay, so we will not bother. All right. This video is just to answer the lots of questions that were asked with regards to this open system. Like I said, there are two batteries. In this case, this is a 24-volt setup. This is the source battery. I decided to use this small battery. I wish I had a smaller one to demonstrate so that people will understand. This is just a 5 Ah 24 volts battery, 5 amps hour 24 volt battery, and this is the one to be charged. It could be bigger than this, whether lithium or whatever you get. So as this one stands now, is 17 amps hour. These are generator, the one they use to start a generator, deep cycle battery for those big generators. Got it from New Benin here. All these materials are locally sourced. So what we are going to demonstrate now, we will first of all show you, this is the potential voltmeter for which shows the potential position of this source battery or the primary battery. Then this voltmeter depicts the status of this secondary battery, which is to be charged. I hope I'm communicating. All right. Then this ammeter here, is just a meter that shows the magnitude of the current that we are going to pull out from this source battery to initiate and sustain the mechanical motion. That is the kinetic energy, the movement of this magnetic wheel. And once that one starts to move, the radiant energy is compressed into this secondary battery, charged. Understand? It is pulsed into here because it's a pulse charge system. It's coming in pulse by pulse, pulse by pulse, pulse by pulse. It goes into the secondary battery. So I hope as we go around this, demonstrate this practical, I must have been able to answer. I should have been able to answer all the, if not all the questions you'll be asking me. Especially Mr. Analyst. That guy troubled me too much. He said he's a solar analyst. Please, so just look at. So analyze what we are doing now. I thank you for your contributions. So let's go. Let me just show you the wires. Everything is plain here. I do my thing straight. This is the positive and negative for the input of the mains, plus and minus entry this system, the whole system. This is the negative. I tagged it, attached to this probe, negative probe of this meter. Then the other one, this is the positive. You understand? Once I plug it here now, it will show the amperage, current coming out from this battery. Then it will start to work. You understand? Then this one is for the battery. This and this other one. This one is taking. Okay. That is the positive of this battery, and this one is the negative of the battery. Then this and this are for the capacitor that is down there. There's capacitor down there. You understand? Then 1, 2, 3. This 3 is for the, I think there are 4 there. These ones, okay, for the coil. So then this one here is for the magnetic sensor. So that is the connection as it stands now. So once I plug this one into here, the system starts. So sorry, just bear with me. I just want to quickly do it this morning before I I move out for work. So that's it. Look at it. That is the current 0.8 amps. So it's not even up to 1 amp. So let's start. Watch here. Watch. So as it picks up speed, this one is going to drop. It's going to drop. We started with 0.8. It's going to come down. So what you go do? Just somewhere put this meter. We'll just go there ready. So then I just observe. You set and where. So I hope this one not disturb.
No, sir.
Not just this meter matter. Maybe I just watch something. I mean,
Sure.
stuff like that. Those guys just make noise for outside there. You'll give one like 10 minutes. I mean, the space of the recording go too much. You don't want me to just watch on the go. Or we'll stop and then later continue. Okay. All right. So it's because of the load now. It's charging. It's charging. That's why the speed is kind of slower. But without charging, the okay, you know what? You can hear them. Okay. So the revolution per minute, I think the RPM is slower, but when there is no load, it increases. See that is, yeah. Mr. Analyst, they watch you, Oga. They tell me about thermodynamic laws, the law of conservation. Watch and well, sir. Watch well. Are the records? Just wait to never go. So you guys are seeing it now. It's this small battery that is charging this, even if it's even bigger than this. So this extra energy, where is it coming from? It's from the environment of this system. That is just how it is. Because it's the electrical pulse is pulsated. This thing is being pulsated, compressed into this way. So if you put your ammeter here, you won't get the actual reading. It won't give you the actual reading. The only way you can know the output power is either you discharge it and calculate it, or I think that is the best way. It's during the time if you discharge it, you calculate your power. That video should be for another day. From there you will now get your COP, coefficient of performance, which is a measure of the output power to the input power. The input power, this one is simple. Look at it here, 0.7 multiplied by 25.4 will give you the input power. So you can work that one out. So if you give the system enough time, you can charge this thing to 1632. So that is where the window comparator comes in. Window comparator comes in. So you do your thresholds there. It's the window comparator that makes sure that this thing doesn't exceed 28 or 29, depends on the voltage level you want to set it. Once it gets there, it puts off this mechanical motion. It grounds it. Once it's grounded, nothing entering that circuit again. That's what we're going to put here. So now this so this small current, that's what it's taking from here. So compared to if you have a bigger battery, it will just be there working. But also the function, the current here, the magnitude of the current also defines the power at the output. I don't fit tell you now everything. So the one way I fit, the questions una they ask, this is the extent I can go. There is no mago here. It will stay here. After that, when we started, it was 23 point something. Before 5 minutes, it quickly grew up. It's going to stay here for some time. This is where the deep charging is taking place now. This is the deep charging mode. Once the battery is full, it will now jump from that. Once it gets to 26 point something, don't jump. Just be running to 32. Then it stops there. So that is it. So there are a lot of subsequent videos. I will be, uploading the videos with respect to the questions they are asking. So if you have not followed us, please follow us and then press the like button so that you'll be among the first persons to watch our videos. We still have more questions you can ask, and I will always answer. It's a free word. Always answer. Yeah. I'm hoping we are looking forward to credible people we can partner with and roll these things out standardly. There's nothing God cannot do. So we've done our own bit. So that was it. Look, man, go work this morning. So thank you, everybody. And God bless us all. Remember to follow us. When they encourage us, follow us, press the like button. All right. God bless.